Have you ever visited a barber clueless about what haircut to get and leaving disappointed? Today, we are going to help you determine what hairstyle is the most ideal for you. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe. That aside, let's jump right into it. Chapter 1. Hair types. Everyone knows there are 3 types of hair: straight, wavy, and curly. But there are subtypes too, and you should know your exact type for styling them and finding products specific to it. Type 1. Straight hair. It is split into 3 subtypes: 1A, 1B, and 1C. Type 2. Wavy hair. It is split into 3 different subtypes: 2A, 2B, and 2C. Type 3. Curly hair. The 3 different subtypes are 3A, 3B, and 3C. Chapter 2. Best hairstyles based on hair type. Type 1. Straight hair. A quiff, slicked back, crew cut, or even a side part are some excellent hairstyles for people with straight hair. Type 2. Wavy hair. Messy fringe, side-swept bangs, long length waves, or a classic middle part are a great choice for people with wavy hair. Type 3. Curly hair. Curly fringe, curly quiff, modern mullet, and curly undercut are one of the best hairstyles for people with curly hair. Chapter 3. Best hairstyles based on facial features. If you have a round face, choose hairstyles that add height and volume to elongate the face. If you have a wide face, keep your hair short on the side. I recommend getting a fade or a taper. If you have a long face, keep your hair flat or short. Avoid spiked up haircuts because they make your face look even longer. If you have a big forehead, try to get a hairstyle like a messy or curly fringe or something that covers your forehead. To maximize the potential your hairstyle has, you should work on your jawline. Here is the video to get a sharp jawline fast.